What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Solana in Binance. Now for those people who do not know Solana, Solana is the world's 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And Solana is also known as Sol. And basically, you can buy it in Binance because Binance is the world's top largest crypto exchange. By crypto exchange, I mean it's the place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since Solana is a crypto, you guys can easily buy it in Binance. And Binance is one of the safest and securest, crypto trading platform out there. So if you guys also want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link, which is in the description, to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now with that said, let's jump into the video. And yeah, to all new viewers, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial, and let's move forward. First step, you want to go to binance.com and log in into your account. And then go on versus trade and go on versus classic over here. Now if you like to go on advanced, it's your option, but I like to go on, classic because it's easy. Over here where it says search, you want to search for Solana. So the search term of Solana is SOL, and you want to choose whichever thing you want to use to buy Solana. So I want to use USDT to buy Solana, so I'm going to click on Sol/USDT. Once you do that, you want to scroll a bit down and go on versus market. Now remember, if you guys know how to use limit and stop limit, you guys can. But if you guys are new, then go on market. Market basically means you guys are going to buy Solana at its current price. And over here, enter the amount of Solana you want to buy and click on versus buy Sol. Once you do that, your Solana will be bought. So it's that simple to buy Solana in Binance. So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. And if you want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.